We have had one minor change to the batting order in that James Tagg, who was going to do a remote, has bailed. Hopefully you're watching this, James, in California. Don't worry, your slot has been taken by the very able and well-practiced Abby. So Abby is now taking James Tagg's slot, so that's good. AV team, are we in a position where we're about ready to rock and roll? Okay, there's a thumb.
Quick, guys. Thank you.
Yeah, that absolutely incredible. Whilst the AV team, who are going to be first on, are getting ready, can we have number 2, who's Felix? Felix, would you like to make your way to the left-hand podium and get yourself ready there? And meanwhile, we've got the judges arriving down the front here. Let me try and move these. So the 3 judges are David Duffett, the incredibly young and energetic David, the incredibly even younger Daniel Miele, and the positively baby-like Fred Posner. So those are the 3 judges. Just to remind you, very good. Yeah, we have 4 prizes. These are the exclusive Dangerous Demo prizes. They are laser-etched 3D lead crystal trophies, made in England, transported personally by me at great personal risk through airport security. If you win one of these, be aware they are a guaranteed way to have your luggage searched every time, without fail. So, just a reminder of the rules. Each demo can be no more than 3 minutes. If you go over 3 minutes, you will be ruthlessly terminated. Okay? We have a timer at the back there, and the AV team are going to, when I say go, they start the timer, and I watch the timer like a hawk, and if it hits 0, then I bring down the big axe. Oh, hello, Andy. Yeah, that's Andy. Live from, no, I was going to say live from London, but he's not. He's in Bournemouth on Sea. But anyway, right, I think we're about ready to go. AV team, your countdown is actually on 3 seconds, and I think you... It will be 3 minutes, okay. All right, how close are you to be ready to go? Okay, in which case, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to start the first of the Dangerous Demos with the AV team itself. So James, you have 3 minutes starting from now.
Hello, thank you, everybody. This is the AV team's Dangerous Demo. James came up to us. He asked us to do a Dangerous Demo that involved the AV equipment and everybody at ClueCon. And as you know, if he asks you to do Dangerous Demo, you legally have to, so that's why I'm here. So this is sort of, I guess, like a preview. We didn't really know what to do, but here's something that has been asked for a little while, and I think we found a good way to do it. For the rest of Dangerous Demos, we now have a fully roaming camera.
Whoa.
Right there. Why don't you walk across here and just film everybody. So we can use this, we're going to use this actually through all the rest of the Dangerous Demos, which is why we're going first. So if you guys brought something that needs a good close-up angle, we can show it. This will be all for next year as well. So for the Free Cycle Challenge, the Signal Wire Challenge, all of that stuff, we will be able to get nice close-up angles. And that's pretty much it. But as I say, we're going to keep this going all through Dangerous Demos. So if you guys got something that needs a good close-up angle, Kat right there is filming, and she'll get it for you.
Absolutely brilliant, and well within the 3 minutes. Thank you for that. Okay. Can we have Brian Connolly? Brian, would you like to come up and get yourself set up on the right-hand podium whilst Felix is doing whatever Felix is about to do? So, Felix, are you ready to rock and roll? We're not hearing you. Ooh.
Hello.
Yeah, there we go. So, Felix, you have 3 minutes starting from now. Oh, sorry, Brian, do you want to get plugged in on the... Brian, do you want to get plugged in on the lectern? No. Ooh, dangerous. Okay, Felix, you have 3 minutes starting from now.
Okay. Yeah, so I was going to do a demo, but for various reasons, it was too dangerous. Anyway, so I decided in particular this morning, based on some of the discussions and presentations, to cover something else. Who of you guys uses WebRTC? Who uses peer-to-peer mode? Don't use peer-to-peer mode. Well, that's good. Why?
Because there's no infrastructure in between.
Well,
that's
because
why.
and because it discloses the location of the other peer. But are you allowing turn? Or do you always just go into the thing? Do you use DOM servers for your clients? How long is your connection set up? Exactly. It is slow. It is always slow, or can be slow, and it can be non-deterministically slow, even with trickle. So I would very strongly advocate, from experience, not ever to use peer-to-peer mode or stun or turn. And in particular, set your clients to not even disclose the host. Because from, again, experience in particularly highly regulated and customers where the security team knows what they're doing, or they think they know what they're doing, they're looking at all the packets and all the data that goes out. And so we've had situations where they say, why are you disclosing our internal host candidates, our addresses? Even if you're the service provider, they don't want that. Or with turn, why are there credentials in plain text in packets? How do you prevent? And that results in a lot of discussions and a lot of problems that are not worth the bother. So yes, always either an SFU, but even with an SFU, be somewhat careful of the data rate and what is actually sent through those frames. Always assume the peer can be hostile. And the content in those packets can be hostile both visually and orally. So just as that's of course where some of the projects that we've been talking about here provide a lot of value, namely have it go through a Kamayo RTP engine, and of course, yes, turn on the authentication, and you mix it, and you record
You're out of time, Felix. So there we are. Round of applause for Felix. Michael from Uganda. Come in, Michael. Would you like to get yourself set up and ready on the left-hand podium? And meanwhile, Brian, who is super cool, didn't even want to plug in and get prepared, is getting ready to perform. So give me a thumbs up when you're ready to roll. Brian?
Testing. Hello, can you hear me?
Get ready.
Yeah,
I'm Brian.
I need to be able to screen share now.
Okay.
I'm addicted to AI.
Okay, are you ready to roll? Because you only have 3 minutes.
Okay.
We'll start the clock as soon as you say you're ready.
I guess I'm ready. If you want to.
In which case, Brian, you have 3 minutes starting from now.
Okay. I made a little agent. I had planned a bigger demo, but as dangerous demos go, my home dev machine crashed on me as soon as I finished the demo yesterday. So last night I got to vibe up a new demo, completely local, running on the laptop pretty much. And we're going to give it a call, and I guess I'm a dev guy, so my own testing is kind of invalid. So I might need to throw out somebody to help me. Anybody want to come up and be the guinea pig? Anybody?
Got to be a volunteer somewhere.
I need a volunteer.
It's always
Come on up, come on up.
David. David always volunteers for everything. Oh, we got two.
I mean,
Well done,
it is a
David.
dangerous demo, I have to say.
Round of applause for David.
All right.
Well done, David.
So this is how we're going to do it. We're going to call into SignalWire phone number, and we'll see what happens. Here we go. We're dialing it now. I'm going to put it on speakerphone and turn up the volume. Oh, can y'all hear that? All right. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm calling the wrong number. God. Sorry. I was calling my other agent, and let me call this agent. Sorry.
Oh, the joys of dangerous demos. Anything can happen.
Hey, this is Brian.
Nice to meet. Nice to meet you, Brian. Now, which character would you like to connect with today?
What are my options?
Whatever you want.
Whatever I want. A very sad James Bodie.
Oh, David.
Opening portal.
Opening portal.
Yeah. So it's going to open a portal to James Bodie. So open the portal, please.
I am James Blakely, not Bodie.
The portal is already
Tell
open,
me,
Brian.
what is it you
What do you
seek
wish to
from
discuss
me?
with me?
Okay. So what you just saw is basically you're talking to an agent, that SignalWire. You tell it what you want to talk to.
Adventures or troubles have you encountered during this time, Brian? Brian, are you still with me? I am eager to hear about your leave, stories you have to share.
We're still here. How about this? Change to an Indian accent for me, please.
Brian, my friend,
I sense your silence.
do not hesitate to share your thoughts or questions with me. I am here
Now,
to listen.
Brian, I appreciate your enthusiasm. However, I am bound to my own
Brian,
voice and
my
character.
friend.
But do share your
I
thoughts,
sense
and I
your
shall
voice.
respond.
Shut up, guys.
I
All right. So,
Schizophrenic demo.
so it's a little, okay, let me explain what's happening. It's kind of a, so I could have had the link up go through the phone itself, and it was doing that yesterday, but I lost all my ngrok tunnels and all that to feed it back in. But I thought it'd be more interesting, and I can literally have it kind of mimic multiple AI at the same time, with SignalWire being the orchestrator, of course, pulling the functions, talking to another TTS that literally builds the characters on the fly, right? And it's as fast as Kokoro running on local equipment. So SignalWire pulls the function, talks to the TTS, builds the character on request, even if you don't know it. So a vague response gives it an automatic voice that you can say the seat on, and you're good. That's it.
And you're out of time, but well done. I feel, Brian, that demo could go on for at least half an hour. And I think we'll probably be seeing more of this. It's a little bit confusing because we had about 5 agents all talking back all at the same time, but pretty interesting stuff. Right, Brian, do you want to get yourself ready? Michael, are you ready to roll?
I think Michael was born ready.
Yeah, Michael, I'm impressed by your coolness.
Hello. Thank you for ambushing me, though. Real quick, this demo...
Are you ready to start? Because we'll start the clock.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, start the clock. Do you have
So,
3 minutes from now?
This dangerous demo is about a new feature, a security feature that I deployed just last night. Hopefully it works. The whole idea is that when you deploy, once I deploy this agent, there's this security pin right here. It's 5 digits, and the idea is that when I call whoever calls, obviously I'm going to give the wrong pin 3 times, and then the 4th time when I call, it should block me. So the idea is to reduce on the cost, obviously, if someone is just unnecessarily calling that number if they have automated the process and so forth. So that's what I'm going to test. So real quick, Let me see. Yeah. Let me just have here some quick. So right now, what I'm doing, I'm giving the agent. I'm assigning it a number. That's its knowledge base. I need to enable it. I just need to give it a quick prompt. Let me see. If everything is okay, this should get deployed. Fingers crossed. Okay, once it's been deployed, I'm going to try to call it with random pin.
What happens if somebody else dials in on that number?
It seems there might be some confusion. Could you please provide your PIN code so I can assist you with your inquiry?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The PIN code you provided is invalid. Could you please try again and provide your PIN code?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The PIN code you provided is still invalid. Please try again and provide your PIN code for verification.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Unfortunately, the PIN code you provided is invalid as well. I am unable to assist you further without a valid PIN code. I will now end this call and notify the support team. Thank you for your understanding.
Okay, now the idea is to call it again, this time 3 times. That's it.
Ooh. You're running out of time.
I'm sorry, but I cannot assist you at this time. Goodbye.
And Michael, you are out of time. But thank you, a brave effort. Well done. And I'm sure you'll be back with another dangerous demo next year. Vital PBX, the boys from Panama, you're on after Brian. Do you want to get yourself ready? Brian, you're looking cool as a cucumber as usual. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay, in which case, Brian, you have 3 minutes starting from now.
All right, I'm a new customer service agent that was just hired at Spacely Sprockets, and I'm put on the job today. I don't know anything about any of the company policies, but I've been ordered to call somebody back about a refund they've requested. So we're going to demonstrate this.
Hello?
Hello, this is Brian with Spacely Sprockets. I'm calling about a refund request since you canceled your order for the Sprockets. Am I speaking with August?
Yes, that's correct.
Can you verify the last 4 digits of the number for your credit card that I need a refund on?
Yeah, that'll be 2345.
Okay, that matches. Now you should have a refund processed within 5 to 7 days. Is there anything else I can answer for you today?
No, that should do it.
Thank you very much.
Just to clarify, that was an automated voice at the other end, wasn't it? Sorry, I'm very slow.
This.
I'm being very slow.
Well, good afternoon.
I thought August was a computer there. I thought that August voice was jolly good, but anyway. So, 7, would you like to get yourself ready whilst the Vital PBX guys, coiled like a coiled spring, are you ready to go?
Yeah, we are ready to go.
In which case, boys from Panama, you have 3 minutes from now.
Okay, perfect.
So demo is simple. It's just to compare the performance of Asterisk and FreeSWITCH and see if Asterisk can handle more calls than FreeSWITCH. So this is our dangerous demo. This is a system hosted in Vultr. The same specifications, everything is the same. Just vanilla Asterisk and FreeSWITCH. That's it. And let's introduce the demo by itself.
We got sound.
Not sound. That sound. Wow.
We need sound here, don't we? Are you plugged in?
Yeah, it's plugged in.
Yeah, we're all, in fact, Kat, if you've got live cam, we probably need to zoom in on Chris from Asterisk's face with this one. It could be quite good. Yeah, put them side by side. Yeah, I'm anticipating the result that we're going to get.
Let's do it.
Welcome to the ultimate VoIP showdown. For years, developers have debated, engineers have argued, and sysadmins have sworn allegiance. Tonight, we settle the score. Not with opinions, but with pure, raw performance. We will push these titans to their breaking point live, right before your eyes. In this corner, weighing in with millions of deployments worldwide, the veteran, the pioneer, the PBX that started a revolution, a system known for its flexibility and massive community, Asterisk! And in the opposite corner, the challenger built for carrier-grade power, the multi-threaded beast engineered for high concurrency and scalability, a powerhouse of modern real-time communications, FreeSWITCH! This is a fair fight. Both contenders will run on identical hardware and environments. This is a fully automated and reproducible battle. We're tracking every punch. We'll be measuring concurrent calls, CPU usage load, average bandwidth per call, total throughput. Let's get ready to stress rumble!
Okay, let's go to the actual test.
Yeah, but I think we'll probably let you run on a little bit more because of the AV.
Let's see if we can make it in 20 seconds. Let's see. 6 seconds. 6 seconds. Let's see. Ooh. Wow. Wow. Ooh, meltdown. Oh. Okay, I guess we can definitely see the winner.
Yeah, clearly FreeSWITCH was the winner there, but not really a huge surprise, that is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Is. But there are advantages to Asterisk, of course.
Now this is the last stage. It's just the analytics with OpenAI, and you can see the results. That's it.
Well done, thank you. Yeah, just adding to that, of course, Asterisk is available as an integration for Home Assistant, and FreeSWITCH isn't. Just to redress the balance there. Okay, 7, I think you're about ready. But on the other podium, David, do you want to get yourself ready? Sprinting. So 7, are you ready? Are you warmed up, ready for a hot performance? No. You got to press the button. Press the button.
Yes.
Okay. In which case, 7. You don't have 7 minutes, but you have 3 minutes starting from now.
Okay. I write a SIP client that I can call into FreeSWITCH. As you see that I can call into Echo, then I can see myself. It oh sorry, it's too dangerous. It doesn't work. Let me try again. Okay, it works. So I can I call Echo and I see myself. As you can see that we have this is X switch we built that is FreeSWITCH with the web interface. We have a built-in Homer in here. We can do statistics, and we have to manage users extensions and the call routine and conference, IVRs, everything, CDRs. And what we really can do is we have a build page that we can look for the statistics. And now, since the call is live, I can go to, we do a live call that we can see the packet come in and out. As you see, as a FreeSWITCH developer, I work on video, and I needed to see when there is a keyframe comes in and when a keyframe sent out. And sometimes if you wave here, you can see the bandwidth going up and down here in real time. And if I get some drop, a 50% drop, I can add, as you can see, there's a packet loss starting. When there's a packet loss starting from here, you can see there's a lot of keyframe coming and out. Because it's echo, so all the keyframes in and out in real time. And I can stop it. Row set 9, I can delete that. If I stop the packet loss, as you can see, it will recover, and you do not see so many keyframes. So that helped me a lot when I developing a video application. Okay, if you think it's not dangerous, we can try call another number, James.
Oh no.
Aha! Okay, this is just a video I made a few years ago when I do dangerous demo. It's too dangerous. Thank you, everyone.
Hooray. And smack on time, 7. Well done.
Bang on time.
Bang on time. 7 is just such a veteran performer. Right, next on that side, Len. Do you want to get yourself ready, Len? And
James, do you want to be just reminding the audience to make notes, because there will be an audience vote, won't there?
Oh yeah, I hope you are making notes. Rather interestingly, I'm watching the notes that are appearing that the judges are making live in the live score sheet. And
which will never be disclosed.
They will never be disclosed, particularly the ones from Fred. Okay. David is another veteran performer. Are you ready?
Let's
David?
hope.
Okay, in which case, AV team, David, you have 3 minutes starting from now.
All right, so this is called Is It English? So back in the olden days when we were kids and we wanted to screw around with changing languages, we would type something into Google Translate, have it go to a different language, try to translate it back, and try to figure out what it was talking about. AI has come a long way, so it kind of screwed up my dangerous demo. I was hoping to have, first of all, shame on me for, this is the first time that I'm really playing around with Signal While. It was really cool, really interesting. I wish I would have played around with it sooner. Just looking at my notes here. So yes, basically I made a phone number where you call up, it tells you to speak in English. I gave it an array of a bunch of languages to hopefully it'll go through enough languages, so it'll go from English to Hindi to German to Japanese to Mandarin, and if it goes through enough languages, hopefully it'll screw it up and you say one thing and it'll say something completely different. It's a bit broken in the sense that it doesn't do any noise cancellation, so if you keep talking, it won't realize to shut up and send it off. So after you're done talking, you want to press the mute button. Like I said, the AI is actually pretty good, so even if they're going through a bunch of different languages, it will still actually come out well. So look, someone did Taco Bell, it switched it around, and I guess somebody's hungry, but it's still saying Taco Bell. Yeah, so I'm going to do it myself. Audience participation is encouraged, and let's see if we can get this to work.
English. After the beep, say something in English.
Are you working? Does this work? If I talk really fast, is it going to screw it up? Is this shit even on? Do you work? Is this stupid? We're at ClueCon. Do you even know what I'm saying? All right, I'll shut up. Go. Oh, and it hung up on me. See? But it says, you can see over here on top, I wrote, it detected you working, does this work, and I'll talk really fast, and it ends up, you work and you do this job, and the reason I talk so fast is because I can cover it up, and it's ridiculous, so it's screwing it up. I have a minute left, so let's try to do this again and curse and yell it and see what happens.
Welcome to Is It English. After the beep, say something in English.
This shit is really stupid, and I may just get the crash and burn prize, but what is dangerous demos? A bunch of stupid shit. Figure out what I'm saying. Do you work? Why are you translating me? This is too soon.
All right. Traveled through Tamil, Urdu, Greek, Indonesian, Russian. It's really stupid. I can find closures and brand employees, but what is a demo day? A shift data set.
And that completely screwed it up. So yeah, you can see all the different languages, and it's supposed to say what it went through. So if anybody wants to still screw around, leave the number up. And shame on me. Like I said, if you haven't played around with Signal Wire, it makes life easy. It's a lot of fun. Play with it, burn money. That's about it.
Yay. Well done, Doc. That was actually reasonably cool and quite amusing. So I quite like that one. Just behave yourself. Yeah. Who's next? Justin, would you like to get yourself ready on the other podium? Len. Is that Len or is that a
seasoned veteran, Len is.
Yeah, Len. Are you human or are you Borg?
Hello, hello.
Yeah. Okay, looks like you have been augmented, Len. Are you ready to rock and roll?
I am ready.
Okay, in which case, Len, you have 3 minutes starting from now.
Okay, you may have met Sigmund in the Signal Wire Lounge. This is his little brother, Ziggy. Which he is totally not the Terminator. This is using a Raspberry Pi Zero W camera to do image recognition to a remote API to get a response back and post to the website and through AI. So let's see if we can get it to work.
Hello. What would you like to do today? Would you like to know what I see?
Yes.
I see a table in a bar room, which appears to be part of a restaurant's interior. It looks like a dinner setting. Is there anything else you would like to do?
Can you check again?
I apologize, but the service I use to see images is not functioning right now. Is there anything else you would like to do?
What do you see?
I apologize, but the service I use to see images is not functioning right now. Is there something else?
All right, let's call back.
Hello. What would you like to do today? Would you like to know what I see?
Yes.
I see an interior room with a chair, a table, and a laptop. Is there anything else you would like to do?
Try it on me. Come on. No. I want to hear what it sees when it looks at me.
I apologize.
All right, let me call back.
Come on, you can do it. An incredibly good-looking guy.
Hello. What would you like to do today? Would you like to know what I see?
Yes.
I see a maraca, which is a percussion instrument, along with a comedian and a person. Is there anything else you would like to do?
James Bodie, the human maraca.
Yeah. It's
Might I
always
say that
crash
this
and
is a
burn.
free API I'm using.
Right. Right. Well, Len, I thought that was absolutely brilliant. I love the augmentation. It looks very becoming. And your use of sticky tape.
Yes, sir.
Inspirational. Yeah, brilliant. Thanks, Len. A round for Len. Rita, your time has come. This is good because in a moment we're going to see how good Rita really is. Yeah. Right.
No pressure, Rita.
No pressure at all. No. And yeah, Bianca is probably watching this live right now because she's a great Rita fan. Okay, that's a bit of filling. Justin, are you about ready to rock and roll?
Let's do it.
Okay, in which case, Justin, you have 3 minutes starting from now.
The most dangerous part of this demo may be that my MacBook doesn't like to connect to the AV system, so you're getting this streaming video. I asked James what he wanted me to do for this, and he said that he has phone calls come into his WhatsApp phone number that are Italians that are calling in for a doctor's office because he's one number off from a very large hospital or something like that. So I built an AI agent to screen the calls and then respond in a WhatsApp message to say, here's the actual phone number, you should call them instead. And if they say, I'm actually calling for James, then it'll patch him into his cell phone. So I did the prompt all in Claude AI, just said, here, build that. That's what you're seeing right now. Let me minimize this, and we are going to just call this so we can see how it goes. I'm not going to speak in Italian. This will all be in English. Yeah, just keep it. Yeah.
Hello. What's the reason for your call today?
Yeah, I'm calling the doctor.
I just texted you the correct phone number for the doctor's office. Have a great day.
So just like that, integrated with WhatsApp Business API.
Hello. What's the reason for your call today?
Yeah, I'm calling for Justin.
Transferring you to Justin now. Please enter your password, then press.
That was my voicemail password because it called myself. So that's just a quick demo of how we can solve a real-world use case. Just a couple, little integrations with different systems. The downside to this is that I set up the WhatsApp business account this morning, so my phone number wasn't authenticated yet, not confirmed. It's in pending status. So that went over PSTN, not over the WhatsApp business line. But ideally, this would have come in over WhatsApp into SIP, into SignalWire, all handled through signaling with them. And then we would have texted out over the WhatsApp business line. But that is a real WhatsApp business. You saw it live. So that's it. Thank you all.
Brilliant. Yeah, that's really clever because that is a real live use case solved here at ClueCon. And as ever, the most difficult bit in the equation is the WhatsApp bit. But hopefully that will get better. But Justin, that's brilliant. I want the code. Yes. Yeah, brilliant. Okay, who's on after Rita? It's Abby. Abby, Abby. Where are you? Yeah. Okay, Rita, your time has come.
Hello.
Are you ready?
No, but oh well.
Yeah, the AV seems to be proceeding. There we go. Okay, Rita, you have 3 minutes to amaze us, starting from now.
Well, Okay, so basically the idea of this today was to show you that you can create or do a call between FreeSWITCH and the SignalWire voice, anything, whatever, and you can hijack it. In theory, I never done it, so it was a dangerous demo. You can hijack it, creating a re-invite, and then the call would land on my cell phone. Okay, how can we do it? Basically, okay, you need to have FreeSWITCH, you need to make a call. Eventually, I need to get my mouse there to show you. Hold on.
The mouse.
Hold on. Okay. And the idea was basically this would be facilitated by CP to hijack with a re-invite, right? I needed to send this using the attacker's IP, so my IP, and targeting the destination IP, right? Okay, nothing special. And how can I grab this or get this on Omer? So FreeSWITCH really easy, right? It's native app. So you have the call there in real time. And on Amplify server, I would have this Python script to detect and also to map the call ID with the session ID from SignalWire and be able to basically notify my original cell phone that my call was hijacked. Great idea. I started to try to do it, and somehow I managed to correct the database. So yeah, it was that dangerous. That's it, guys. Sorry.
Yeah, wonderful, Rita. I think your engineering credentials are once more restored. So, but are you going for the crash and burn with that, with the kicker in the tail?
You tell me.
Yeah, well, I'm looking at the judges. A bit of competition for the crash and burn today, but thank you, Rita. So, where are we going? After Abby, we have Liv from Open Sips. Liv, where are you? Livu, where are you? There he is. He is in the room, he's getting ready. I have a feeling, Abby, this one could be quite a fast one. No.
Afraid. The worst part is James Bodie didn't even ask me to do this. I decided to torture myself about 20 minutes ago. Okay.
Yeah, just to let you know, this is the slot that James tagged, and hopefully, James, you're watching this. You missed out a game this year. Yeah, hi, James. Okay, Abby, you have 3 minutes, though I'm sure you won't require it, starting from now.
Okay, so this is dangerous because I have absolutely no idea what I am doing. So we are going to make an AI agent because today is somebody's birthday.
Oh, David.
Okay, and it's extra dangerous because I have my long nails on, so typing is slow. Check if the caller is Anthony Minessale. If it is, sing him happy birthday. If it's not, then hang up. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Deploy. Okay, and now I have to connect this to a phone number. So it's dangerous because
You're about to disclose your father's real telephone number. That's very dangerous.
I'll tell you guys that for free. Okay, we're gonna pick a number that has the B-Day in it. I'm spending 50 cents a month on the company card right in front of finance. So that's cool. Okay, so it's this phone number. I hope this works because you're all looking at me. Okay, 208-330-2329. I don't think I have to do an expense report for 50 cents a month.
I'm sorry, but I need to check if you are Anthony Minessale. Can you please confirm your name?
Yeah, my name is Anthony Minessale.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anthony. Happy birthday to you.
Okay. I want to see if I can get it to say his name right. I've never tried this. So, it's so danger. Okay, let's see. Okay.
Hello. I need to confirm your name. Can you please tell me your name?
Yeah, it's Anthony Minessale.
I'm sorry, but I need to confirm if your name is Anthony Minessale.
Damn it! Okay. Let's try again. Replace Minessale with
15 seconds.
Sally. Okay, let's try again.
You're a hard taskmaster, James.
Oh, just a meanie.
Hello. Thank you for calling. Can I have your name?
Yeah, it's Anthony Minessale.
Thank you, Anthony Minessale. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Woo! The
Abby,
adrenaline.
that was awesome. And the
you.
fact that you threw it together in about 60 seconds, I'm in awe. So brilliant. Thank you, Abby. Next on that side, it's Tony. Where is the master himself? Is there Tony Minessale in the audience? Naughty Brian. So, Livu, are you ready to roll?
Never been more ready.
Okay, in which case, Liv, you have 3 minutes starting from now.
All right, so there's a lot of moving pieces to this demo. The idea is to try to play a Pong game in a browser using voice commands and signal wire APIs. Using ChatGPT, I stitched together this little Python game. Let's run it, see what it looks like. It's listening on port 5000, and it works. Let's say we got the two. You can see the left side paddle, right? There's two paddles, a ball, and a scoreboard. And then using SignalWire's website, went ahead and created two DIDs, which I will put up on the screen. Chicago DIDs, by the way. For player 1 and 2, you dial in, and we should get welcomed by a AI agent. And the SWIML, can we take a look at the SWIML as well?
There's lots of dialing going on over here.
So a little bit of instructions here. This is the part that isn't really working. I'm not sure. And it's supposed to call back into our ngrok app, right? Depending on our intent. So let's give it a try, see what it looks like. But I don't have many hopes. At least we can have fun with it.
Is anybody in? Anybody been successful?
You are on the left side of the conference room, playing as player 1. Just let me know if you want to move your paddle up or down. What would you like to do?
Move the paddle up. Sorry. Go to the game. At least, but there is no function call. This is the part where I'm troubleshooting right now. So it's still, we can do some curls at least. Move it by hand. Why not? Too much.
It seems like I didn't quite catch that.
Thank you. 1 second. So at least it's working, right? So if we do it by hand, we can play, but it would be cool to get the hook. Yes.
Let me know if you want to move your paddle up or down.
Thanks, buddy. Okay. Yeah, so at least it's functional, right? But we need to stitch things up together, I guess.
Yeah. Well, I think that as an engineering exercise, that's pretty damn good. But I think the concept is slightly flawed due to the latency involved in actually telling it what to do. But But brilliant bit
we
of
can work on that
engineering.
as well.
Yeah. Anyway, Liv, round of applause
Thank
for
you.
Liv. And now, taking the last slot, Anthony. Anthony, you haven't told me what it is that you're going to do. So in 3 or 4 words, what are you going to show us?
I'm going to show a little bit more about how the world of the web and the world of AI agents and the world of voice, we own it and stop looking further.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which could be anything, really, couldn't it?
Yeah, because if you start trying to do some of this stuff, you're going to be here next year still working on it. So I just want to show you what a shortcut looks like and how inspire some more ideas.
Okay. I have still no idea what we're about to see, but I'm sure it's going to be very, very clever. So are you ready for your 3 minutes of glory? So Anthony, you have 3 minutes starting from now.
Okay. So I wanted to do this as a GitHub example so everybody can figure out, add to it if they want. Essentially, I'm making another DOM manipulation demo. If you saw my keynote, I did like a tarot reading. This time I'm doing a virtual blackjack. And for here, if you want to snapshot that, you can have a copy of it. It's easier to look at yourself if I won't have time to go over the entire thing. But what I can show you is an example of the flow that you're getting just by using our platform. And this is only the web app itself and the way that the AI agent is orchestrated, and it's all implemented in 700 lines of Python code. Gives you all this harness and leash around an AI to allow it to put it into a paradigm where you can keep it doing what you want. Okay, so here's a example.
There we go.
Let's do it the old-fashioned way.
Welcome to the blackjack table. You have 1,000 chips. How much would you like to bet? The minimum is 10 chips and the maximum is 1,000.
I'd like to bet 100.
You have a total of 17 points. What would you like to do? You can hit, stand, or double down.
I'd like to hit.
In this hand, you had a total of 27 points after hitting, which means you bust. The dealer had a total of 10. You lost your bet of 100 chips, leaving you with a total of 900 chips. Would you like to play another hand?
Yes.
Great. How much would you like to bet for this new hand?
I'd like
the
to
minimum
bet 900,
is 10 chips.
please.
You've placed a bet of 900 chips and have a total of 11 points. What would you like to do? You can hit, stand, or double down.
I'd like to hit.
You've hit and received an 8 of spades, bringing your total to 19 points. What would you like to do now?
I'd like
you can
to
hit,
stay.
stand, or double down. You stood with 19 points, and the dealer had a total of 17 points after drawing. Congratulations, you win this hand.
I didn't rig that either. It's all random. But anyway, I'll go back to the slide. It's hard to explain it all at once, so that's why I gave everybody a GitHub of it. Essentially, you're using SignalWire to hold the call state. So the stateless AI agent SDK will keep all the data inside of SignalWire away from the AI agent, but you can use variable expansion to deliver prompts to tell them what the current state of the game is, and then you can send an event to the browser to synchronize that with the visuals. And that way you can control anything on a website with it. So you can also basically use our step system to create prompts that as each step of the game goes through, it's the only part of the prompt that he's really focused on. It doesn't show you the entire conversation. It actually rewrites the entire thing with the most current step in mind. Gives it criteria how to solve it, allows it to use tools that will flip it to a different stage of the game or whatever you need to do. So you can build state machines in Flow. So when you, even though you have conversational, it could have said any different way of asking for him to play, it'll still work. And then you're like focusing on the conversation and not hoping that the AI drives the entire outcome for you.
Okay. Well, time's up. But just one question: how long did you spend building that?
Since you asked me to do it, what was that? Monday, maybe.
Yeah, but it wasn't all the time. So in total.
Yeah. If I added up the time I spent working on it.
Yeah.
Like an hour.
An hour.
But you too can do that, especially with Claude, right? Claude loves our SDK. If you show him, check the GitHub of our SDK out and ask him to prototypes and stuff for you, he'll get you 90% of the way there in the first try. All right, see you later.
Well, I'm not going to say anything. Yeah, I'm not going to say anything because I don't want to influence the voters. But wow, Tony. Anyway, all right, thank you. Big round for Tony. And now we come to the exciting bit. Can we beam in Mr. Andy Smith? There he is. The first phase of the marking is, as always, the audience vote. So, Andy, would you like to talk us through the procedure, please?
Yeah, I would. I would also like to be able to screen share within this conference, please, AB guys, if I can, please. That would be rather useful.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. So let's.
Yeah. The AV guys, yet another accolade.
Yeah. Not quite there yet.
What?
That's me, though. Right. Anyway.
Where did you get that from?
The voting system. And just ignore the various things of James going past there. They're just embarrassing, really.
Thanks for that.
That's all right. You're very welcome. So you can see on the left there a list of all the competitors, all of who were actually there this year, which is in itself quite a surprise, which is good. Along with a number against them. If you can text just that number, nothing else, to the number that is there, +1 218 332 6437, you should get an SMS back. I am told that the rate-limited SMS outbound will be queued, so it may take a while for you to get the message back, but hopefully you will. So if you choose which one you wish to vote for, then you can cast your vote for them. You can also tactically vote and change your vote once I've shown what the voting is. But I'm not going to do that straight away. I'm just going to yabber on for a second and let you watch James in his various guises. Okay, so let's read it out. It's 218 332 6437.
Yeah, shall I repeat it this end because to be a bit louder? So the number is +1 218 332 6437. Remember, you can only vote once. And if you change...
you can vote as many times as you like. It's just that it'll only be counted once.
Yeah, and you could
so
change...
let's have a look and see what we've got so far. Okay, so David Bender appears to be leading at the moment.
Yeah, any more votes? But Len is coming back. So come on, Graham family. Oh, somebody's taking the vote off David. So who's going to take it? Oh, three-way. Four. Is somebody mucking around here? Brian. Yeah, I'm not looking. You got your arms crossed, Brian. So it kind of looks like it could be Brian. Do we leave it for just for a couple more seconds?
Oh, David's gone to 5.
Oh, David's come back again. And and the Graham family haven't given up. How many phones do you got in action now, Len? What's that? So it's between David and Len, and it'll be the first one, and Brian's back again, and it's David. So I think we can officially say the winner of the audience vote this year is David.
Except for Len Graham's just gone up ahead.
Yeah, too late, Len. You're not paying them enough, not paying them enough bits and pieces. But I'll tell you what, I have got some prizes for your family. So that's for your family. There we are. Not jelly babies, but they are Italian gummy eggs. So, okay, I'm looking at the prizes. There's a bit of intense debate going on.
We'll leave Fred. I will leave Fred and Daniel to continue discussing their various categories. Yes. The category I'm awarding is most entertaining overall. James, would you like to go ahead with
yes,
that one?
Please. Tell us how you assessed
on the basis that this person built something in front of us live that worked to a degree. We'd like to give the most entertaining to Anthony Minessale. Which one is it?
I don't know. You have to open them and find out. I can't read.
James is just finding the appropriate prize to be given.
That's the audience.
You've got all these men with glasses trying to see this. This is most entertaining,
this is
it?
Audience.
It is most entertaining. Abby, photo opportunity with Mama.
Hey, no, with me.
Oh, with James. You want to be in on it as well.
There we are.
Right. Nice. There we are, Abby.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Yes. And many congratulations.
Right, and over to Daniel. Are you ready to pronounce?
Riskiest demo, what's the riskiest? No. Riskiest is that crash and burn? Like I'm checking.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm actually awarding the Swan Prize.
Okay, all right.
Which it's Justin.
Justin Massey for the Swan Prize.
Okay, ready for the photo opportunity. Justin, you go in the middle.
Which one is this?
Justin, can you try and look happy, please, Justin? Come
the
on.
Swan. Do you know what the Swan's about?
No, tell me the Swan.
Oh, the Swan is for the demo, which is just beautiful, but doesn't appear to be very risky. So you can imagine a swan gliding across a lake without any visible form.
You weren't fighting with the WhatsApp API.
No, but that's what I was going to say.
Well, that's the legs kicking underneath the water line.
Underneath the water. There's all this stuff going on, but that's not visible to everybody else.
Oh.
So anyway, congratulations.
Thank you.
Hey.
Okay. And over to Fred for the crash and burn.
All right, for crash and burn, recognizing that it was tough, and there were things that worked, but ultimately there were things that didn't. To Len.
Come on, Len.
And if there was an award for the most imaginative use of gaffer tape, that would be you, Len. But congratulations. Okay, well, that's the end of Danger. Sorry, photo session. Brilliant. Well done, Len. Thank you. Yeah. So that about wraps it up. The only thing we've got to say is where the next Dangerous demos will be, which hopefully will be at Camaillo World in Berlin. Can you tell us when and where? Well, it's obvious where. But.
Yeah, well, it's Berlin. When, not a date right now, but as usual, we aim for like somewhere in between mid of April till end of May, beginning of June. So hopefully by, I don't know, mid of September or so, we're going to come up with dates. So stay tuned.
Okay. Thank you, Daniel. You heard it here first, Camaillo World in Berlin. I don't know, David. Is that his? Oh no, you didn't. You didn't get a crystal one, David. You got the sweets there, David.
No, you get this as well. You can have the sweeties. No, I'm good.
Is it?
In between.
I wasn't sure if I won, so I waited to the end.
Good old David.
And smile.
Smile. Now, before we carry on, let's just say a very, very big thank you to James here and Andy in England.